Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. This one is for WhatsApp, in case whenever you go to WhatsApp and you're trying to send a photo, you're only seeing one or just a few of the pictures that should be in your gallery. Now, of course, yes, it's going to slightly vary. As I said, you might just be seeing one photo or just two or three or whatever it is, but you're not seeing the full gallery. Check this out, guys. Alright, so check this out, guys. I'm in a group. So here I'm going to try to send a photo. So I tap, notice down here, I'm going to hit gallery. But with the issue, I'm only seeing two photos. It should not be. I should be seeing the entire gallery. I'm going to show you how to fix this. Alright, so first thing you do, guys, is go to settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to go next. And of course, you're going to scroll down. You go search for WhatsApp. Should be all the way to almost to the end. Tap WhatsApp. Next, look for photos and go to select photos. Now, of course, here's the issue, guys. And this is a new issue as of iOS 14. To add, and of course, the reason why yours is most likely on selected photos, and the reason why you're only seeing a limited amount of photos is because of the new feature. It only allows you to see what you choose. So each time you'd have to come in here if you're going to continue to select photos and hit edit select photos, and to add something new to the photos list, like for example, all right, let's let me find a photo. Alright, so I've added a second one. I'm going to hit done, and you'd have to come in here each time and either edit selected photos, and of course if I go to WhatsApp, I've added a section of a car or a photo of a car. If I go to gallery, check this out, the car has now showed up along with the others that I've selected. So as you can see, this is a new feature to secure your device to prevent any app that this feature is selected in from seeing your entire gallery. So you might find it useful. If not, in some cases, as some of us, you might just want to get rid of it and simply be able to see your entire gallery of pictures. So as you saw earlier, this is my entire gallery. There's a lot of photos in here. To see the entire gallery without restrictions, go to settings. Of course, you're under photos for this, so simply select allow photo access for all photos. Now when all photos is selected, what's going to happen here is when you go back to WhatsApp this time and you hit the picture here, notice that the gallery started to populate right here. And if I hit on gallery to see the full gallery, check it out, guys, all the photos are here as shown earlier. So you can see that the entire gallery now shows up. So of course, it's a new security feature. You choose whether or not you want to select your photos each time to prevent apps like WhatsApp from seeing your entire gallery, or if you want to, you can simply allow full-on access, as most people most likely will do. Alright, so it's quite convenient, a new feature. It's so useful if you find uses for it. However, some might just want to give full access and be done with it. Alright, so as usual, guys, Ricardo Garner from Blog Tech Tips, showing you how to, on your iPhone, how to allow WhatsApp to access your photos or galleries. And of course, Ricardo Garner saying bye until next time. Bye, guys.